A few weeks ago, I built this super awesome barbecue station, but now I need a dining table for my patio. What's up guys, my name is Greg and I'm going to be showing you how to build an easy dining table. Let's go. We're going to start off by building our dining table top. I'm going to use a 50mm thick yard wood, and I honestly do have to say this is the most beautiful wood I have ever worked with. We're going to cut all our wood into 1.2 meter lengths. Let's go. And remember guys, you can ask your local wood supplier to plane all your wood and cut all your wood to size. This is going to help you if you haven't got all the correct tools to build a dining table. Moving on to the next step. Now we're going to sand all our wood using a 120 grit sandpaper, moving to a 240 grit sandpaper, and then ultimately finishing the wood with a 320 grit sandpaper. Let's go. All my wood has been sanded. Now we're going to move on to the next step. Now we're going to router all the edges, so we don't have a sharp edge but a smooth edge. Let's go. My dining table top is basically done. Now we're moving on to the steel legs, and honestly speaking, I've got absolutely no experience in steel work or welding. That's why I asked my dad to help me with the steel legs. We specifically built these legs to fit my dining table top, and I used a 76 by 38mm rectangular tubing with a 10mm flat bar on top. And I specifically want a rough and rugged industrial steel look to my steel legs. And by doing it myself, I saved a lot of money. And if I can give you advice, support your local community. Go onto social media, ask the question, who can help you build these steel legs? And if that option doesn't work, go on to Amazon. I have seen a ton of options to pick and choose from. That's also super cheap. Without any further delay, let's fasten these legs to my dining table top. So all my holes has been pre-drilled into my steel. Now I'm just going to pre-drill into my wood, then I can fasten my steel legs to my wood. Let's go. My table is basically done. Now we're moving to the final step, and now I'm going to apply 2 coats of matte clear varnish. Let's go. I am extremely happy with how this dining table came out, and I honestly hope that this step-by-step instructional video is going to help you to build your own. This is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any future projects or videos I'm posting. Cheers for now.